Welcome back, Apple enthusiasts. Are you tired of smudges, scratches, and the constant fear of dropping your expensive tablet? You have clicked on the right video. Today, we are reviewing the absolute best iPad screen protector options on the market. Whether you use your device for digital art, intense gaming, or everyday streaming, a premium glass shield is a must-have accessory. We've tested and ranked 5 top-tier protectors that offer crystal clear clarity, flawless Apple Pencil compatibility, and extreme durability. Check the links in the description, and let's dive in.
Product number 1. Allen Screen Protector for iPad. Kicking off our list is the highly popular Allen Screen Protector, specifically tailored for the newest iPad 11th and 10th generation displays. Allen has built a phenomenal reputation for delivering maximum protection without compromising touch sensitivity. Constructed from premium tempered glass with a reliable 9H hardness rating, it effortlessly withstands daily scratches from keys, coins, and accidental drops. What makes the Allen stand out is its incredibly smooth oleophobic coating, which aggressively repels annoying fingerprint smudges and facial oils, keeping your display looking pristine throughout the day. The ultra-thin design ensures absolutely flawless compatibility with the Apple Pencil, meaning digital artists won't experience any frustrating lag or stroke offset. Furthermore, the installation process is wonderfully simple, coming with dedicated dust removal stickers and alignment guides. If you want a dependable, case-friendly shield that maintains your tablet's stunning high-definition Retina display, Allen provides exceptional defense.
Product number 2. ProCase 2-Piece Screen Protector. Next up, we have the ProCase 2-Piece Screen Protector, engineered exclusively to fit the exact dimensions of the iPad 11th generation. ProCase takes screen defense to the next level by utilizing premium military-grade tempered glass that practically guarantees shatterproof performance. This means if you drop your device face down, the protector absorbs the impact, saving your actual display from disastrous spiderweb cracks. Despite its rugged durability, this shield measures barely a fraction of a millimeter in thickness, preserving the absolute original touch responsiveness you expect from Apple devices. The ultra-transparent finish delivers an incredible 99% light transmittance, ensuring your movies and photos retain their brilliant color accuracy and sharpness. It also features gracefully rounded edges that feel incredibly smooth to the touch and prevent chipping. Arriving in a convenient 2-pack, ProCase offers an outstanding backup option, making it an incredibly smart long-term investment for protecting your brand new screen.
Product number 3. Apiker 2-Pack Screen Protector. Coming in at number 3 is the Apiker Screen Protector, the absolute perfect solution for those rocking the classic 10.2-inch iPad 9th, 8th, or 7th generation. One of the most impressive design choices here is the full coverage front, which intentionally lacks a camera cutout. This brilliant feature completely seals your front-facing lens away from dust and deep scratches while maintaining perfect optical clarity for your FaceTime calls. The Apiker is crafted with a precision 0.3mm thickness that flawlessly registers every single tap, swipe, and Apple Pencil stroke without hesitation. Its high-grade tempered glass boasts superior scratch resistance, easily deflecting damage from everyday hazards. Installation is where this model truly shines. It utilizes a specialized air-exhausting silicone adhesive that automatically pushes out trapped air, guaranteeing a completely bubble-free application on your very first try. For owners of previous generation models needing a flawless fit, Apiker is a true save-lifer.
Product number 4. Spigen Screen Protector for iPad. Our fourth contender is the Spigen Screen Protector, a fantastic option dedicated to maximizing the drawing and writing experience on your iPad. While Spigen offers phenomenal impact resistance with its high-density tempered glass, its real magic lies in its exceptionally smooth surface finish. This protector minimizes friction, allowing the Apple Pencil to glide effortlessly across the display, making it a highly requested choice among students taking rapid digital notes and illustrators creating intricate artwork. The glass is remarkably thin and completely invisible once applied, ensuring your Face ID sensors and front cameras operate without any interference. It perfectly resists scuffs, scrapes, and ugly smudges while leaving precisely enough room around the bezels to accommodate heavy-duty rugged cases. Packaged with a brilliant, user-friendly alignment frame that takes the stressful guesswork out of the application process, Spigen delivers a perfectly centered, professionally-looking installation for absolute beginners every single time.
Product number 5. Panda Shield 2-Pack for iPad. Rounding out our top 5 is the Panda Shield 2-Pack Screen Protector.
offering incredible premium tier features for the iPad 11th and 10th generation models. Panda Shield is highly regarded for its advanced multi-layered construction, which incorporates an anti-shatter film directly beneath the tempered glass. In the rare event of an extreme impact, the glass will safely hold together rather than splintering into dangerous sharp shards. The high-definition clarity is absolutely striking, ensuring you never lose the vibrant contrast or brightness of your tablet's original display. It also features a superior nano coating that works overtime to combat sweaty fingerprints and liquid spills, making it incredibly easy to wipe clean with a simple microfiber cloth. Designed to be ultra-responsive and completely case-compatible, this 2-pack offers fantastic value. If you demand a highly protective, crystal clear, and family-friendly tempered glass solution that stands up to heavy daily usage, Panda Shield is a phenomenal choice.
In terms of price compatibility, all 5 of these brands fall firmly into a highly affordable, budget-friendly category, proving you absolutely do not need to spend $50 at a carrier store for premium protection. The Apiker and Allen options represent incredible entry-level value for multi-packs. The Pro Case and Panda Shield sit at a slightly higher yet still very accessible tier because of their enhanced shatterproof multi-layer technologies. Finally, the Spigen offers a specialized, ultra-smooth premium feel for digital creators.